Want more testosterone in your life after just 1 week? Then try this. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, Cognitive Neuroscientist and Sex Addiction Recovery Coach. In this video, let's talk about how you can drastically increase your testosterone by not masturbating. I'm sorry I had to drop that bomb on you, that if you want to increase your testosterone levels, it has to do with not masturbating. So there is a study that shows that after 1 week of abstinence from masturbation, serum testosterone levels increased by 146%, and that was on the 7th day. Now, in this small study, what it showed is that if you can stay away from masturbation, that testosterone levels rise after that 7th day. And so this study showed that within the first 7 days, there was not a significant increase, but there was a drastic spike after the 7th day. In another study, we know that when men abstained from masturbation for 3 weeks, testosterone levels continued to climb. So when we talk about leaving pornography behind, which we know from the science damages your brain, it knocks out the frontal lobe in terms of functioning, which makes it so that you can't focus, that your memory is baffled, right? Makes it so that social anxiety increases, that judgment is impaired, that impulse control is impaired. We also know that the reward center in your brain is being fried out. It's being fried and making you need heightened levels of arousal, sending you back into the screen for more intense pornography that gives you that arousal. And it forces people into genres they never thought that they would venture into. And the reason is tolerance has been built in your brain that you need those higher levels of intensity because the reward center in your midbrain is not working properly. That's what porn does to your brain. Now, when you masturbate to porn, you are giving your body higher levels of physical stimulation as well. So these higher levels of physical and mental stimulation cause erectile dysfunction. We are seeing a spike in erectile dysfunction in young men like never before, and porn and masturbation are at the root of that. So if you not only want to heal your brain from porn and excessive masturbation, you will also increase your testosterone levels. Now, why do people want to increase their testosterone levels? I know that many of the middle-aged men that I hang out with, I know what you're thinking. Yes, I am middle-aged, and that's part of why is there a middle-aged woman here telling you about testosterone and masturbation? I'll tell you why, because I care about you. And I don't want you to be like some of the middle-aged men that I know who all are looking for a testosterone supplement. And you know how I am. I show up and I'm like, hey dudes, let me spit some straight facts at you that you do not want to hear. None of you actually need testosterone supplements. You may when you get a little older, but right now, if you stopped watching porn and masturbating, your testosterone would go up. And I've seen it with my own eyes. One of my clients, the client that has been on my podcast twice, and he's remaining anonymous, he's into bodybuilding, so he had a blood test before he started working with me, and then he had a blood test a month later, and his testosterone levels increased significantly. He was blown away. He felt a lot better, but of course in bodybuilding, that's imperative. It's not just important, it's imperative. So he was able to see more muscle mass growth, which we know science supports that idea. He felt stronger, he felt clearer, his workouts were better. Testosterone's important for you to feel not only the physical strength that you want to, but the mental and emotional strength that I talk about on this channel all the time. That's what you need to thrive in your life. So when you leave porn and masturbation behind, you come out of survival mode. Literally, your brain puts you in constant porn put your brain in constant pleasure seeking mode, which creates the need for more dopamine, and it creates a dopamine deficit in your life. So what that means is there's no dopamine in your life and there's more cortisol. Survival mode. It puts your brain in survival mode. And if you're in survival mode, you can't thrive. You can't build the muscle mass that you want to. You can't jack up that body of yours and feel strong like you want to. So I'm here to tell you, if you leave porn and masturbation behind, you're going to feel better than ever, mentally, emotionally, and physically. That's what I want for you. That's what you deserve. Okay, if you're looking for help on the journey, please go on over to drtrishleigh.com. I have different programs in different shapes and sizes. My 90-day program has everything that you need to succeed. So if you're interested in if you are interested in knowing what you need to succeed in this journey, go to the tab that says Why Porn Brain Rewire. If you go there, there's an outline of all of the strategies and techniques and tools that you need to survive. Plus, you can get the support that you need if you join me. If you don't want to join me, look that over so that you know what the outline is. All right, until next time, control your brain or it'll control you.